Hello everyone, welcome back to Skin.Knead.Beauty. Let's talk spa. I hope everyone is doing great. We're going to be talking about the different types of persons you may encounter to retail within your salon or spa. As you may remember, or if you've not seen the two prior videos talking about how to retail and how to move the retail off of the shelf into the shopping bag, please go ahead and watch them. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when the next video is uploaded. So we're going to talk about the different types of persons you may encounter in the salon and spa, and that could be many categories of persons. But today we're going to talk about four of the many types of persons you may encounter in the salon and spa to retail to. The first set of persons you may encounter is a couples treatment, and the one specific that I want to touch on is facials. Let's say you have a teenager and a parent that booked a couples treatment. This is a great place to retail to, and why is because, think about it, there had to have been a conversation between the parent and the child before they decided to book a facial, which means that the child is probably experiencing some hormonal issues. It could be presented as acne breakout. This is a great place to retail. Do not downplay this. This is a wonderful place to retail because chances are the parent is thinking, I need to do something with the child in order to build either self-confidence or just self-appearance. So you want to start thinking about, from you've seen this on your schedule, you want to start thinking about, guess what can I do? Having said that, in the treatment, you're going to think the same thing. What can I do for the child? So get your juices going. Get your mental juices going. Yes, I said it. Get your mental juices going. Start pairing together. What could you send that child away with? So at the end of the treatment, you're going to present to that parent and the child your recommendations. You're going to talk about what you've done in the treatment to get the good results that they see and how they can prolong the benefits that they've achieved by what you're going to recommend to them. Chances are the parent will purchase, if not everything, the most important things for the child. And I would say that would be, of course, cleansing. You have to get the palate or the skin prepared. You want to exfoliate. You want to slough off all that congestion. You want to do a mask, something. You want to do something probably with kaolin clay in it. You want to dry up, whatever breakouts or whatever's the ingredient that you have in your mask therapy. And of course, moisturizer with a little bit of SPF, something lightweight, or depends on the climate they live in. And don't forget to retail to the parent. It could be a male or a female parent. Don't let that, don't let that thing make you think that you cannot retail if it's a male parent with a child. It could be two males. The point that I'm trying to make is that is a retailing opportunity. Do not let that pass you. You can passively educate them both, and I guarantee you that they're going to purchase. The next category of persons that comes into your salon or spa is the skeptical shopper. I love these types of people because guess what? They'll look straight at you and say, you know what, I'm not interested today, and that's okay. I'm not interested today, but then they will keep a conversation going. They'll ask you about, your products, or they'll tell you about what they're doing at home. They will give you some clues as to why they're so skeptical, but yet they don't leave your presence. So the fact that they don't leave your presence is a good sign for you. Why? You educate them. You educate them and tell them about your products. All of your products are hero products, but you educate them specific to what they're telling you their concerns are. That person may not buy anything, or they may. Let's say they don't buy anything. Don't take it personally. They may come back. They may come back and buy. Before you separate from that person, make sure you give them something tangible like a recommendation sheet. Put your name on it so they'll walk away with the nuggets that you've given them. And in their minds, they'll think about all the things that you spoke about and how well you've conversed with them, and they may come back and purchase. And they may come back and purchase and also book a treatment with you. So don't let the skeptical person you may encounter deter you from retailing. I love those type of persons because they challenge you. They make you rise to the occasion and pull from within yourself all the knowledge that you have, and you happily share it with them. The other category of persons that we encounter are the spa savvy ones, right? So these people are the ones who are well versed, well traveled. They've been everywhere, they've done everything, they've tried every product, they ordered off the internet. They are spa savvy persons. Don't let that deter you either. I like those persons as well. As a matter of fact, I like everyone, to be honest with you. I just enjoy retailing, so I'm never afraid. I love anyone who I can talk to about skincare and products. So the spa savvy person, you want to have an open conversation with them. You don't want them to say yes and no. Allow them to tell you their stories of all their travels and what they use and how much it costs, all that wonderful stuff. So listen carefully. What you're listening to is the loopholes. You want them to brag about and they will. You want them to brag about their hero products, but what you're listening for is to hear about the products that doesn't work. Sometimes you meet those persons and they'll say, oh, I spent $300 on a cream or a serum and it did absolutely nothing for me. I've tried so many things and but the great thing is they've not tried yours. And knowing what's out there is going to help you to bridge the gap in why your products are better than all the others. So know what's out there and know what makes your product different. So by listening to what you're gonna fill the gap with is why you're gonna listen, and you're gonna be listening closely. And I will guarantee you find a loophole and you give them the alternative, they will buy it. They will definitely buy it. Even if this is a regular person that you've seen, or you've seen them a few times for treatments and they've purchased before, I guarantee you they will buy it. The type of person you will encounter is the euphoric, happy spa shopper. Yes, we also love these type of persons. Why? Because they're gonna buy and they're gonna buy and they're gonna buy. You don't even have to sell your products to them. They'll come in and I'll take 3 of these, 5 of those, 7 of these. Now, even though we all love those type shoppers, why? Because they drive the numbers up. You must be very careful with those type persons. Why? It's because you want to not appear as if you're all about the money. You want to appear genuine, and I mean this like the air I breathe. You do not want to come across as if you care nothing about them and everything about the money. Why? Because you want this person to become your client. If this person is a happy shopper, and that means that they are easy, they're just easy, they're just like the air we breathe. They're just easy. This is someone who you could keep on your book, you could retain them. Which means if you retain this person, you're gonna retain that money. Yeah, I mean it's simple. It's simple as that. Even though I'm saying that, you want to pay close attention to their concerns. By you solving their problems, they will be loyal to you. They will be loyal to you and they will buy. Now, again, you do not want to just think about selling, even though this is all about selling. In order for you to be consistent in retailing, you have to have clients or guests that are consistently coming to you for you to retail to them. So a happy shopper is great. It's absolutely wonderful, but you have to guide them. You know, if they're buying multiple products, and let's say they're probably gifting the products to someone, that's fine. But to have someone come in, or let's say they have multiple homes, that's fine. They probably need some at, you know, probably 2 locations depending on how many homes they have. Let's say they probably have a couple homes on a yacht and they are fast paced, fast track. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine to have products everywhere they go, but you don't want someone to have a whole lot of products that just doesn't solve their problem, because you don't want to create a problem. You don't want to have the skin break out unnecessarily. I know the skin is going to break out because of environmental or internal issues. You know, we go through a lot of stuff. It could be stress, it could be a lot of factors, but what I'm trying to say here is we want to be mindful. Even though we like this happy shopper, we want to remain professional. We want to remain we want to be compassionate. We want to have that person feel safe and comfortable with us, knowing that, guess what, this person cares about my skin. So there you have it. Those are the 4 type shoppers that you may come into contact with. And again, I know there are several more, but these are 4 that we come into contact pretty often. So if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave a comment in the description box below. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when the next video is uploaded. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope again that you are all doing well. Until next time, Skin Need Beauty, let's talk spa. Have a wonderful day.